inside.
Running.
Come on, Oscar. Play on. Sneaky. Yeah! Frosty! What do you have to do that for? I'm hitting it to them, mate. Yeah, kick! That's the boy! Come on! Trainers, that's that slide. You get in there every day. Birdie behind you. Hands! Yeah! Chuck! Damn, bro. Good hands, man. Yeah. Tommy, behind you. Go with Grundy. He flies, you fly. Good boy. Shadow, good boy. Go. Oscar up!
Well, that was the sounds of the game, the sounds of the beard, the sounds of Max. Neil Danaher trophy winner today. He was simply outstanding.